So this video is for educational purposes and also to my business men and women right here on this channel who just want hands in their WhatsApp chat, so that those people can serve as a customer service to help them answer or just provide goods and services to their customers as well. And apart from this reason, I don't think this video will be helpful in any way. So let me show you how I can just connect your WhatsApp account to up to 4 different phones. And if you're new to this account, please subscribe, also like the video, and also share to someone who is a businessman or woman to just help them extend their business as well. So let's start with this one. Let's go. So on the phone that you want to open your WhatsApp on it, which is the second phone or the third phone or the fourth phone, just download WhatsApp on it, whether WhatsApp business or the official WhatsApp. Just download or install it, and then after that just tap on open right here. Kindly like the video for me so that it will boost me to do more for you. So after that, just open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, then when you look down here, you can see we have agree and continue. Just tap on it. So tap on agree and continue, and then when you come here, you're not going to enter your phone number right here. Listen to me very carefully. No number should be entered right here. But when you look at the top right corner right here, you can see the 3 dots. Just tap on the 3 dots right there. When you tap on it, it will give you a pop-up right here as you see on the screen. So the first one, we have link to existing account, and the second one is help. Just tap on the first one, which is link to existing account. When you tap on it, it will bring you to the display, and as you can see, it is a QR code right here that we have on this phone. So on the phone that you're going to open your second or third or fourth WhatsApp on it, you should have this on the screen on the phone. And the second thing that you're going to do is to go to the phone that you have opened your WhatsApp on it. So the first phone that you've opened your WhatsApp account, just go to the settings on WhatsApp. When you go to settings on WhatsApp, just scroll down a little. When you scroll down a little, you will see link devices right here. Just tap on link devices. When you tap on it, it will bring you to this display, and kindly like the video for me so that it will help me do more for you, and subscribe if you're new to this account. So when you tap on it, when you come here, just tap on link a device. Link a device, tap on it. When you tap on it, it will ask of your password, so the phone password or your face ID, it will ask of it, then you just provide it. After that, it will bring you to the display, and you're going to scan the QR code on the other phone. So when you come here, just tap on OK, and then your phone camera will be activated for you to scan the QR code on the other phone. So this is the other phone, and then this is your phone. So just scan the QR code on this one, and then your WhatsApp on this phone, which is the first phone, will be open on the second or the third or the fourth phone that you are trying to just open your WhatsApp on it. Thanks for watching. Check on the screen for more videos from here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Stay alive. Bye for now.